Students keep on asking about the benefits of pursuing an ACCA course. Let's discuss 5 incredible benefits that you would get once you complete the ACCA course. Number 1, you become employable in more than 180 countries of the world, and these are countries like Australia, countries like UK, Canada, US, Dubai, Germany, Singapore, and the list goes on. In fact, completing IFRS course no longer makes you limited by location. And if you are actually planning to go abroad and migrate, then your credentials are good enough to get you a job there as and when you go there. Secondly, you become a member of a global board of more than 2 lakh people and 2 lakh professionals after completing the course world over. The best part is that once you become the member and even during the course, you're able to access say various job openings and also get across and keep yourself updated with the latest trends that is happening in your area and in your field of expertise. And after 5 years of experience and 5 years of being a member, you automatically stand upgraded to a fellowship. Apart from getting hold of the technical skills, what you get is an access to life skills. And when I talk of life skills, I'm talking of skills like effective communication skills. You become a team leader. You need to know, you develop the abilities to not only build a team, but how to make the team work towards the organization. You become a problem solver. That means every situation you know how to tackle that situation. So that becomes with that you get hold of an let's say a strategic thinking mindset. And apart from that, what you get is strong work ethics, which becomes and which helps you to become a strong professional in your area and in your field, apart from the technical and the application skills that are there in the course. The best part is that you are always highly in demand and you become capable of working in a global environment and a global network. The ACCA qualification is, I should say, a kind of investment to your future. An investment that offers lucrative jobs, that offer handsome salary packages, and that offers a career opportunity around the world, across the world, globally. You can get a job in taxation, and in countries like US, UK, Dubai, Singapore, Canada, the whole world is yours. This is about the benefits of ACCA. In fact, if you have any other doubts regarding or any queries regarding this course, you're most welcome to mention your doubts in the comments and we shall get back to you. And before going, I would request you and I would suggest that if you want to see yourself in a successful state of affairs, it is always beneficial to subscribe to our channels because we make sure that we keep you updated with the best of opportunities and the best of knowledge and the best of the skills that are in demand as of now and in the near future. Take care. God bless.